What is AI marketing? AI marketing simply means that you use artificial intelligence in your marketing. So leveraging AI from your marketing strategy to predicting when customers are going to buy. The most well-known AI marketing tool at this moment is ChatGPT. In this video, I will explain another AI content generator that will help you to make your marketing efforts easier and have more impact. But first, why AI marketing? Marketers and communication experts, they spend a lot of time on their marketing. For example, content creation. Or they do it themselves, which takes hours of their days. Or they spend a lot of budget on hiring freelancers. An AI content generator like ChatGPT or Typetone can help you with writing your content. You can see it like this: AI will do 65% of the work and 35% will be your own work. Of course, AI becomes smarter and smarter, and it will take over more tasks of you as a marketer. And therefore, it's important that you have upgraded your knowledge about AI marketing. The benefits of AI marketing are personalization, becoming more productive, and work more data-driven. In this video, I'll show you how AI marketing can make you or your team more productive. Currently, AI is not capable of doing 100% of the marketing work, but it becomes smarter and it will have impact on the roles of marketers and communication specialists in the near future. If you like to give AI marketing a try, I have written an ebook. It's called Start with AI Marketing, and there you will learn how to use an AI content generation tool to start with your AI marketing today. You can find the link to this ebook in the description of this video. An example of AI marketing is using AI marketing tools like Typetone. Typetone is a powerful AI marketing tool specifically developed to assist marketers, communication specialists, and content creators in creating high-quality written content such as blogs, articles, social media posts, emails, and accompanying visuals. In this video, we will create an article with the AI marketing tool Typetone. After creating a free account on Typetone AI, link in the description of this video, log in and click on Templates, then on Content, and then on Long Article. Fill in the following fields for your AI article. What should the article be about? Top 3 AI marketing tools. Target audience, marketers. What are the keywords? AI marketing. And here I can choose the tone of voice. Here you can choose one, or you can add your own, like this one, AI adventure. So I choose this one. And then I hit generate. And here you can see that the long article is created with the help of AI. When you use AI marketing, you gain access to various superpowers. Firstly, AI acts as a time traveler, saving you precious hours in the content creation process by guiding you rather than executing it. Additionally, you also have an efficiency expert superpower. AI marketing increases the efficiency capabilities of both marketing managers and employees, allowing you to do more with fewer resources. AI marketing also improves the organization of your content, keeping everything in one place and saving you time, giving you the organization wizard superpower. And finally, AI marketing helps you to save on freelancers, leaving you with more budget for other marketing purposes, thanks to the Budget Guardian superpower. Have you spent hours or tons of money on content creation that's only used once? Discover how to maximize your investment in content marketing with AI marketing. AI marketing is a secret weapon to transform your content into multiple pieces of content with the ease of AI. For example, turning your article into multiple social media posts with the help of AI, and this will help you to be more visible to more customers on different channels without doing all the manual labor that's needed to create content for these different channels. Now I'll show you how to transform an article into a social media post with AI marketing. So I copy paste this, I go to templates, then I go to social media, choose LinkedIn, and there I will write, make a social media post about this article. And it should tease to read the whole article. And then you choose tone of voice. Here I've chosen my personal one, that's AI Adventures, and then I hit generate. Of course, you need to check your social media post if it's correct, if it translated the correct way, and then you can hit add to content calendar. If this is not what you're searching for, then you can do copy paste, go to the chat, and then say make this social media post more friendly. Then you can copy paste it. This is just an example. Then enter, and then it makes your post more friendly. This you can copy and then put it in your content calendar. This is an example of how you can practically use AI marketing. Use the AI writing assistant to save hours of content creation per week or the cost of hiring freelancers. Want to get started with AI marketing? Download my free ebook, Start with AI Marketing, plus an AI checklist. Learn how to optimize your content with TypeTone's advanced AI tool. Additionally, you can read an inspiring case study demonstrating how AI marketing saves 50% of the time on content creation. You will also receive a checklist of important points to consider when using AI marketing. And get 3 tips on short-form video, the zero-click content method, and how to smartly reuse content multiple times. Download my free ebook, Start with AI Marketing, via the link in the description of this video. Or dive into AI and learn from one of these 2 videos.